Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix AOL mail login problems, password and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are on the official AOL login page by typing mail.aol.com directly into your browser. Check your internet connection by opening another trusted website to make sure the network is working. Refresh the login page once, then close the tab and reopen it to clear a temporary loading issue. Type your AOL email address carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. Click Next, then enter your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off and the correct keyboard language is selected. If you use a password manager, try typing the password manually in case the saved entry is outdated. If the password is rejected, click Forgot Password and follow the prompts to reset it using your recovery phone or email. Create a new strong password that you have not used on other sites, and save it somewhere secure. After resetting, sign in again and confirm you can reach your inbox without being redirected or looped. If you see an access error, open a private or incognito window and try logging in there. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser and attempt to sign in again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers temporarily because they can break the sign-in page. Try a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, to rule out a browser-specific issue. On mobile, update the AOL Mail app or use the mobile browser at mail.aol.com to compare results. If you recently changed your password, sign out on all devices and sign in again with the new password. Check whether your account is locked by too many attempts, then wait a short time and try again calmly. If you get a security challenge, complete the verification steps and avoid using a VPN during the login. Turn off VPN or proxy services, then retry because they may trigger suspicious login protection. Verify your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can cause sign-in failures. If you use two-step verification, confirm you can receive the code and enter it before it expires. If you do not receive codes, check spam, check blocked numbers, and confirm. If AOL says your account is compromised, follow the on-screen security steps and change your password immediately. Review your recovery email and phone number in account settings after you regain access. If you are using an email client like Outlook or Apple Mail, generate an app password if required and update it there. Remove and re-add your AOL account in the email app if syncing or authentication keeps failing. Check AOL service status by searching for current AOL mail outages to confirm the problem is not on their side. If the issue continues, contact AOL support and provide the exact error message and the steps you already tried. Finally, keep your browser and device updated to reduce future login and security errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.